Threading a needle seems simple, right? But in reality, it's the ultimate test of patience. You squint, you fumble, and just when you think you've got it, poof, the thread slips away again. We've all been there. What should be a quick start to your project turns into an all out battle with a tiny thread. But here's the secret. What if I told you the battle ends today? Meet your secret weapon. Ta-da! The needle threader. It's small, unassuming, but an unsung hero. The tool you've been ignoring up until now. So, why keep struggling when the solution is right here? Stick around and I'll show you exactly how this magic works, turning every sewing session into pure bliss. In just one swift motion, this little tool conquers what feels impossible. In one effortless motion, the battle is won. No more squinting, no more frustrations, no more wasted time, just you, your thread, and a perfectly threaded needle in seconds. What are you still waiting for? Go get yourself a needle threader immediately and thank me later. Trust you enjoyed this session. Make sure you subscribe to House of Molake. Turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of our sewing tips, hacks, and tutorials. Thank you.